Greetings and welcome to another edition of Birdview tutorials and feature enhancements. To create a project in Birdview, you can select the New Project button in the top right corner of this page. In the dialog window that appears, you have the option to select the creation of a project based on an existing template from the drop-down menu selection, or choosing the New Project button field to enter the name of a project, where you can add a description, define your date parameters, and now select Create. If no template was selected, you have the option to add activities and build out your project. If a template was selected, then Birdview will create a project using the information that was defined on the template. And there it is. That is how you create a project in Birdview. We hope you're able to leverage this great new functionality. As always, please continue to share your suggestions or feedback by emailing us at success@birdviewpsa.com. Thank you.